What up, y'all? Every penny counts. I want to do this video on Inboxdollars. This is a website and an app. You know what I'm saying? It's very important that you have both. But for this reason, I want to show you the app. You can download the app on your phone. You can also sign up with the website. The link to that website will be in the description. So sign up. Once you click on the link in the description, sign up, confirm your account, you'll have $5 in your account. All right. So I want to point that out. That's very important. Like I said, click on the link in the description, sign up your account, confirm your email, all that good stuff. And you'll start out with $5. How to make money with Inboxdollars, particularly on the app. All right. So right now I'm showing you the app. And I'm showing you my notifications. They says, look, earn 10 cents for completing this short survey. And I do these surveys all the time with Inboxdollars. So I'm going to click on it and just show you what I do. The survey will pop up. And it's going to show my balance at the top. Let me see. Well, now it won't show my balance. I'm going to show you because I have to refresh it anyway. But it's going to basically ask me some location questions. So I'm going to just go through. Where was I at? Sunday at 10:30. It'll kind of show you the map of where was I don't remember actually. So I think I was at another residential location. Go down Sunday at 8 o'clock. Well, Saturday. What was that Saturday or Sunday? It asked me that. That was Saturday. Saturday at 10:30. Yeah, I was at another location. I'm not sure where I was, but I was up early. Saturday at 10 o'clock. That day, I think I was at Shipley Donuts. I was getting some breakfast that day. Saturday at 7:22. I think I was, Stop and Joy. I had to stop and get some mints that day. At that time, Saturday at 7:10. I think I was actually still driving to the place, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna click in transit, driving. Friday at 5:32. Where was I? The location. I mean, there's no right or wrong answer to these surveys either. I mean, it's really just where you were. Friday 2:56. I was at a Cleveland Lake Rec Center playing basketball that day. And going on down to, I think I was still driving there. And I believe it's like 10 questions to these surveys. Friday morning, I was on my way to work at that time. So I'm gonna click in transit. And always click on I like to receive more surveys frequently. You know what I'm saying? Because that way they can continue to send you surveys. If you don't click on that, they'll stop sending you surveys. So I go down, I go to next. You see here, thank you for completing this survey. I'm gonna click on the home page real quick. You see my balance is $11.70. How long? They'll always give you this opportunity to answer this question. They call it a little I forgot what they call it, but it's just answer anyway. I don't even know what that question is. I just click on that, answer and earn, and you'll see my scratch and win bar will go up. You earn scratch and win progress. I exit out of that real quick. Let me get the exit out of that. And see, it went up, and you see that I got that 10 cents added to my account, just like that. All right. So also with this app, you can go check your emails that they'll send you. You'll get 2 cents per email. All you gotta do is read and confirm it. I click on that. The email will open up. I scroll down, confirm this paid email. Just that simple. Some more stuff will pop up, but then it will refresh and it'll give you 2 cents per email. And bam, just like that. All right, and I also got scratch win progress. Whenever it reaches a $sign, you can scratch it. You can wait till it gets to the first one, the second one, or the third one. Just to show you how it works in this video, I'm gonna click on that. You go to scratch. I probably get like 3 cents or something like that. Scratch it like this. Yeah, 3 cents. Bam, 3 cents. Click on earn more, even though you probably you do that if you want to. And now I got $11.85. So I started with $11.70, and all those things I did got me to 15 cents very quick. It didn't take me more than 2 minutes to do all of that stuff. So I just want to show you guys more of the app side. I've done a video on the website, but I just want to show you that it's easy to make money with the app as well. So download the app on your phone as well. In addition to making money with the website. All right. So like I said, the website link will be in the description. When you sign up, confirm your account and all the good stuff, you will get $5 put into your account automatically. All right, so that's very good that they give you that. And I just want to show you some other things you can do in this. Like I said, right here, the home page, you can go there. It'll basically just show you, you know, your balance and your checklist, things like that. You can do surveys on the app as well. Click on surveys, and they have surveys you can do here. You just try, and every one that you disqualify for, there'll be like a spin bar at the top. Let me show you real quick. I'm just gonna click on this survey here. Did you know disqualify me? Blah blah blah. I don't know what that's talking about. Wait for the survey to pop up. I just want to show you how to scratch and win, how the disqualification thing works on here, because some sites they'll pay you points, or some of them they'll give you you know, pennies or points, but this one does it kind of differently. So I'm going to, when you born, I'm just going to put in anything random just for the purpose of this video. I'm trying to show you something. Maybe if I click I was born in if I was born in 2019, maybe it'll disqualify me automatically. Just see. I said I was born in 2015. They'll probably disqualify me for that. Yeah, they are. So that's what I was trying to do. And don't wait, you won't qualify. So you collected one. It's basically saying you collected one spin. So I'm gonna click on surveys again. And going back up to the top, see now I got a spin. I had a spin earlier. I don't know how I got it, but I'm just gonna show you how it is. This is what happens when you disqualify for a survey. They'll give you a spin. All right, so you click on spin and you see what you win. I won scratch and win progress. That means my bar right there, it went up. You know what I'm saying? So I click on survey again. I should have one more spin left over. And spin again. Like I said, every survey that you disqualify for, you can do this. So you can do this on a limited amount of times. Spin again, see if I win something. Bar went up again a little bit. So that's basically how this app works. You know, that's like I said, you can do surveys on here. You can also do offers. Clicking on offers, they'll have different things you can sign up for and complete. And they have high paying offers on here too. So definitely take a look at the offers on here. I mean, it's a lot of money in this site, on the website, and a lot of money that you can make through the app. So just, you know, find out, just go through and just kind of play around with it. You know, things that you're interested in as far as these offers. If it's something you really want, you know, sign up for it. They're paying big money for these offers. So I encourage you to, at the very least, take a look at it and see if it's something that you're interested in. Some of them are just signing up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've cashed out in the site many times, and every time I look at the surveys and I look at the offers and just find out what I would like, you know, as far as the offers go. And then the surveys, you know, just continue to do as many as I can with the downtime that I have. So that's how that works. Back to the homepage, see my balance again, $11.85. On this site, they pay you various ways. You can get a check sent to your house. You can get PayPal, and they have other miscellaneous gift cards. But I definitely encourage you guys to use this app. Like I said, you can sign up with the link in the description. Once you complete your registration, confirm your account and all the good stuff, you will have $5 automatically. So it's, that's a huge bonus they're giving you. They pay on time. They've been around for a very long time, and I really do recommend them to everybody. So get started with it today. Click on the link in the description and start making money today. And always remember, every penny counts.